In a world where grass was dead and dogs roamed the earth, this is Vlogging with High Dive 48. Hello. This is my first vlog ever. This is my aunt. This is my little brother. That's my aunt's dog, and that's my dog. Dogs. So yeah, we decided just to walk our dogs, and decided to take you on for the journey. So yeah, I'm in the beautiful place of Rockland. So yeah, I don't even know where we're going. I was gonna tell you some updates and everything. Today I think Gamefulcast is launching their 2 new channels, and they're good. So I'm kind of excited about that. Secondly, I uploaded a new video to my main channel. Go check that out. I think it's pretty funny. So yeah. These are going to be daily, so just so you know, if you didn't know, it's going to be daily. So yeah. Well, I'm just gonna stop this for right now. Alright, so bye. Hey guys, I feel like this is a pretty successful day. We got snow cones, not snow cones, shaved ice cones. Dog walking was successful. There's a pool, and I'm happy because there's dog poop right there. Yay! Anyways, just don't forget to subscribe to Gamefulcast 2 new channels. I believe they're coming out today. And thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing more of these in the future, and I will see you later. Bye.